Alright, quick breakdown time. If you're finishing your bachelor's, you write a thesis. If you're finishing your master's, you write a thesis. If you're finishing a doctoral degree, it's usually longer. It's called a dissertation. Same big idea, original research, different scale and depth. Now, the roadmap. Most theses run on a 5-chapter engine. I'll keep this simple and step-by-step so you can build as you go. Chapter 1. Introduction. Think of this as the launch pad. Research background. I set the scene. What's already known? What's happening in the world? Why this topic matters? Problem statement. One clear gap or issue. Significance. Who benefits and why? Purpose. The purpose of this study is objectives, specific targets, research questions, what I'll answer, hypothesis, predicted relationships, definitions, conceptual, definitions, operational. Chapter 2. Literature review. This is the brain of the thesis. I don't just summarize, I critique and connect. What past studies found, what they missed, where my study fits. I synthesize the knowledge to build a conceptual framework. I build the theoretical framework. What theory anchors my study? By the end, readers know exactly why my research is needed. Chapter 3. Methodology. This is how I do the work. No mystery. Approach, qualitative. Approach, quantitative. Approach, mixed methods. Design, the specific study blueprint. Method details, research site. Method details, population. Method details, sampling. Method details, how I select participants. Data collection, surveys. Data collection, interviews. Data collection, tests. Data collection, observations. Pilot study, a small trial to refine instruments. Instrument checks, validity. Instrument checks, reliability. Instrument checks, trustworthiness. Data analysis plan, statistical tests. Data analysis plan, coding strategies for qualitative data. Data analysis plan, or both and how they integrate. Ethics, approvals. Ethics, consent. Ethics, confidentiality. Ethics, how I protect participants. Chapter 4. Results. No fluff, just what I found. If it's quantitative, descriptive and inferential stats with tables and figures. If it's qualitative, themes, quotes, patterns, and evidence. If it's mixed, report both and show how they connect. No big interpretations here, just clear, accurate findings. Chapter 5. Discussion. This is where it comes alive. I highlight the key findings, the headline results. I explain how they answer my research questions. I compare them to previous studies, where they agree. I compare them to previous studies, where they challenge. I explore significance and implications for theory. I explore significance and implications for practice and policy. I state strengths and limitations, what worked. I state strengths and limitations, where caution is needed. I offer recommendations for future research. I offer recommendations for real-world action. I conclude with a tight wrap-up that circles back to the purpose. Final tips. Keep a tight thread from purpose to questions, to methods, to results, to discussion. Use clear headings. Number your figures and tables. Define everything once. Write like you're teaching your future self. You've got this. One chapter at a time.